Hey guys, this is Ryan with Beyond Microgreens, and this is another episode with Cooking with Ryan. Today, I have a special guest with me. It's my mom.
Hi.
So, we're going to be making a special treat today, especially for the fall. It is pumpkin chocolate chip oatmeal cookie mix, and this is from Trader Joe's. Here you go. There it is. That. And I have a question for you before we start off.
Sure.
How did I become a chef?
You started at a very young age because you enjoyed outdoor grilling.
Mm-hmm.
And so you were always out there on the grill. And actually at the age of 15, you got your own ceramic plate. So the steaks or the chicken or whatever went on that masterful grill, Ryan. And so that's what you grilled with.
Sweet.
Yep.
Awesome.
And,
Well, yeah.
and you grill to this day.
Yeah,
Because you're always
sure.
helping me in the kitchen. So you're always asking,
Awesome.
what can I do? And it's nice to have you in the kitchen as well.
Yeah. All right. So now we'll start off with cooking because who doesn't like a nice cookie? So we'll start out with 3 cups of this mix. So
Yes.
if you'd like to put that in the
Sure.
bowl.
A nice fall thing to do.
Yeah, amazing. Look at those chunks.
Yes.
Okay. And then let's do the butter next.
Okay. Just an easy thing to do if you need to soften butter, because this recipe calls for softened butter, is take some boiling water in a glass, and then see how soft it is, and then you put it the hot glass from the boiling water, dump the water obviously, and then and then put the butter right down over under the glass, and it softens your butter for you.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's get the egg in there.
Okay,
Just need 1 egg.
just 1 egg.
Yep. Fun fact about pumpkins, the largest pumpkin ever grown was about 1,100 pounds.
Wow.
Think about that.
Yeah.
Like,
Big boy.
I don't know where you even store that. That's crazy. I don't know. So okay, we got the egg in.
Right.
So now we have one last ingredient, and you all know broccoli booster. Amazing stuff. 100% freeze-dried broccoli microgreens. And so what we'll do now is add the water in there.
Yes.
And we'll do, what'd you say, 2 tablespoons?
tablespoons of
okay,
water.
Awesome.
There we go.
And then before we put the broccoli booster in there, let's mix it all together.
Sounds good. This is on low.
Okay, yeah. So recommend low power. You can already smell the pumpkin.
That smells amazing.
Yeah.
And you can do this for any type of cookie. So is your favorite
Okay.
just chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Or snickerdoodle or whatever you would like?
Yeah. What would you say your favorite dessert is?
Oh, I would say it's probably the triple chocolate brownie that I make.
Oh yeah, that's very true.
I just like chocolate in anything, and this has
Yeah.
the chocolate chunks in it. And
Wow, I could just eat
So-
that straight, honestly. That looks amazing. All right, so got that.
yep, that's perfect.
And then, start of the show, broccoli booster, let's throw it in there.
Okay.
Let's do 2 teaspoons.
That sounds great.
I like that, yeah.
Yep.
Get a nice heaping amount in there.
One.
1 and 2.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's mix that
this
up.
in.
And then, Mom, what other meals do you like to add broccoli booster into?
Well, I particularly like to use it at any meal because you can put it on eggs in the morning. You can do peanut butter toast in the morning
Right.
with some bananas on it. I've done it at lunch before with ham salad. I've done it on baked potatoes, steaks, any meal. So
Pretty much everything. Yeah.
everything, and it should
Yeah.
always be in your refrigerator.
Yeah, for
So,
sure. Sounds good.
Yep,
Yeah, so
right in the front.
okay, we got the broccoli
Yep.
booster in there. So now we'll just roll them and put it on the sheet.
Sounds great.
And so another fun fact, the first commercial cookie was actually the animal cracker, and it was introduced to us in 1902. But now the most popular cookie is Oreo. So
I can see that.
yeah, I mean, who doesn't like Oreo? Pretty much. But,
And they've come out with every variety.
Oh,
it
I know.
seems like
It's
right now.
every flavor. It's crazy.
So I usually roll about 8 of these
8,
on,
okay, on the tray.
on the tray,
And,
just because this is a little smaller.
what's
of
the
a tray.
temp that you put it in the oven?
350.
350,
for
okay.
about 12 minutes.
12 minutes. Okay, good to know.
So and it's gooey, so they're
Yeah,
going to be nice
that
and
looks
moist.
Really good right now. I think I could eat all 8 of those right now.
Yes.
Not before they even went in the oven.
Yeah. They smell wonderful.
Yeah, it looks awesome. So we'll put some broccoli booster on top because who doesn't want more broccoli booster? Yum. All right.
Okay.
Sweet. And throw that in the oven for
Yes.
about 12 minutes, you said?
Yep.
Okay,
350.
cool.
Correct.
So we have a finished product right here.
Yes.
Look at this. That was so quick. Look at that. Broccoli booster, oatmeal chocolate chunk, pumpkin cookies. Wow.
I'll let you try one while you
Okay.
one hand.
Let's taste test.
Sure.
Oh gosh. Okay, let's see this one. Show the camera one more time. Look at that. Okay.
What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
It's good for the fall. We'll try one.
That is super good.
Delicious.
Wow.
Cheers. Happy
Cheers.
fall.
Yeah. Happy fall. Okay. Now I like to do ratings on this. So,
Okay.
what's your rating?
I'd probably say a 9.8.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good.
And why is that?
Just because they're just so moist
Mhm.
and they have a crunch on the outside. They're nicely brown when you make them with the softened butter, and the broccoli booster is just the
Mhm.
icing on the top of this. So
The
they're
thing
delicious.
the thing is, to me, broccoli booster. You think like you're putting like some broccoli on a cookie.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste good at all.
Yeah.
Can't taste
Can't taste
anything.
this.
It's a nice, light, sweet, kind of savory taste.
Yes.
And
And
you
then
can,
look how colorful they are. They're beautiful.
yeah. You get that pumpkin taste, you get that broccoli taste. You also get that chocolate, and then a little salt
A
at
little
the
salt
end with
from
the
the
salted
salted
butter.
butter.
Yeah.
Correct, yeah.
Amazing. So I would
Yeah.
say 9.7, maybe 9.8.
Okay.
Really good.
Close.
Really good. Just an easy way to add more vegetables, minerals, nutrients, antioxidants into your diet. And I might, after this episode, I might eat all of these.
Oh, no.
So I might have to turn this episode off right now. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in again, and I'll see you next time.